Hi, Konstantin here. At today's video, I will show you a very useful extension for Visual Studio Code. It is called the Live Server. If you are a web developer, you know that developing websites can be a tedious process. Live Server is a lightweight development tool that helps you to quickly launch a local development server and will automatically refresh your website whenever you make any changes in the code. And then you don't need to every time save your code, then switch to your browser and refresh the page to see the changes. This extension is great for beginners because it is very easy to use. All you need is to open your HTML file in your Visual Studio Code, right-click on it and select Open with Live Server. The extension will launch the local server and open the website in your default browser. Let's take a look. Let's go to Extensions in Visual Studio Code and let's search for Live Server. Here it is. As you see, it's pretty popular, 31 millions of downloads. And let's install it. Alright, while it's installing, I would like to tell you that it is looking for changes in every file at your project, so you can change both HTML and CSS files, and this extension will see those changes and will update it in your browser, so you don't need to refresh it. Alright, it's installed and let's check it out. I'm not sure if we need to restart the Visual Studio Code, but let's check. Oh, we don't need that. So as you see, we can right click on the file and open with Live Server, or here in the right bottom this icon appeared, Go Live, and it will just run your main file. In this case it is index.html. Alright, so let's check how it's work with this right click and selecting Open with Live Server. Okay, so now server is running. As you see, here we have some IP port, and here it is our index.html, and now we can try to edit something in our project, and let's open it side by side just to see how it will update the page. And let's write here nh2. Okay, and let's save the file. And as you see, I didn't refresh anything, it's just watching our file changes, and when we hit save, it automatically updates those things. And let's check how it's working in CSS. So let's add a class, and let's say h1 test. Let's save it and let's add a style with this class, h1 test, color red. Let's save it, and as you see, it turns red automatically and very fast. Okay, as you see, it is a fantastic tool which will speed up the process of your development, and you don't have to every time refresh your browser while you're making any changes. So install it and use it. Alright, that's it about extension for now. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and happy learning!